Here's the truth no one tells you about Survey Junkie. A lot of people join expecting to make hundreds of dollars fast, then quit after a few days calling it a scam. But the real problem is usually unrealistic expectations, not the app itself. So, is Survey Junkie legit in 2026? Or is it just another fake money-making app wasting your time? In this video, I'll break down exactly how it works, how people actually get paid, the biggest downsides you need to know, and whether it's worth using today. Let's get straight into it. Yes, Survey Junkie is a legitimate rewards platform. Users earn points by completing online surveys, sharing opinions, and sometimes participating in research programs. Those points can then be redeemed for PayPal cash, bank transfers in some regions, or gift cards. Now here's where most people get confused. Legit does not automatically mean highly profitable. Survey Junkie is not a full-time income app. It's more like a small side hustle for earning extra cash during free time. For example, John uses Survey Junkie while commuting or watching TV at night. He completes a few surveys daily and cashes out small amounts consistently. That's the realistic way most users succeed with it. But here's the problem. Many surveys have qualification checks. This means you might start a survey and then get screened out after answering a few questions. This is one of the biggest complaints users have. However, Survey Junkie usually still gives small point rewards for disqualifications, which is something many survey platforms don't do. Now here's where it gets interesting. The amount you earn depends heavily on your demographics, location, and survey availability. Users in the United States, Canada, and some other regions generally receive more surveys than smaller markets. In a minute I'll show you the easiest way to avoid wasting time on low-paying surveys. First, let's talk payouts. Survey Junkie has been around for years and has a large user base. Most users who reach the minimum payout threshold and follow the rules do receive payments successfully. PayPal withdrawals are usually the most popular option because they're simple and fast. This is where most people fail. They rush through surveys trying to finish quickly. Survey providers track answer consistency and behavior patterns. If your answers look random or suspicious, your account could get flagged or limited. Jake learned this the hard way after speeding through surveys while multitasking. Once he slowed down and answered honestly, his survey opportunities improved. The smartest strategy is focusing only on higher-paying surveys with shorter completion times. Don't waste 25 minutes on surveys paying almost nothing. Check ratings, estimated times, and point values before starting. So, is Survey Junkie a scam? No. It's a legitimate survey platform that really pays users. But it's also not a magic income app. You won't get rich using it, but you can earn extra spending money consistently if you use it correctly and keep expectations realistic. If this video helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment below with your experience using Survey Junkie. And if you want more honest reviews of money-making apps, check out the next video.